Hi all, welcome to Autism Victories. Today we will learn about half notes and more about keyboard basics. Also we will learn to play a song using half and quarter notes. Let's start. From the previous video we know how to play quarter notes, which is to play each note for one beat long. Now we will learn about half notes. This is a half note. It lasts for 2 beats. Let's play C, D, E half notes. To help the kid with autism to understand, we can make some cards of half and quarter notes. And let the kids sort. Then practice. Initially practice with each half note individually. Here I am playing F note. Then practice with combinations. The two numbers after the clef are called the time signature. This is called 4/4 time signature. It tells us there are 4 beats in each bar. This is 3/4 time signature. It tells us there are 3 beats in each bar. Here are 4 bars in 4/4 time. This double bar line tells us that the exercise has finished. Let's count 4 beats in each bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To help the kid with autism to understand better, we can practice counting 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's learn to play a song, Ode to Joy, using half and quarter notes. Half notes, quarter notes, half notes. Let's play. Hope the video is useful. Thank you for watching.